Sunny, and here's the video you guys always wanted to see, what part I used to build my system with. Now here's the video. First thing first, thanks to PC Part Picker for their great website. Here you can come and just start adding all the parts you want and see which website you can buy for the lowest price. So thanks to PC Part Picker, great website, love it. First thing first, the CPU I use, Intel Core i7 5820K, is a great CPU for video rendering, gaming, overclocking, and I think Intel Core i7 5820K is the sweet spot for any 6-core processor, so you should definitely look into that. I love this CPU. I built my system about like 2-3 months ago and I have no complaint. And the second thing, the CPU cooler. So the CPU cooler I have Corsair H105. It's a great CPU cooler. I love it. I love that little ring. You could paint different color, and it's definitely a great CPU cooler for overclocking and stuff. So definitely you guys should look into that. And you can pick it up from Newegg for $99. And after obviously $10 mailing rebate they will send you. So the motherboard I went with Gigabyte X99 UD5 Wi-Fi motherboard. Is a great motherboard for gaming or video editing or even a Hackintosh. You can never go wrong with this motherboard. For $269, I think it's best buy for your money. And like I said, it's a great motherboard for Hackintosh. One of the best. When I say it's one of the best motherboard for Hackintosh, you don't have to change no BIOS setting when you're installing your Yosemite, Maverick, whatever you guys want to do. So the memory I went with Crucial Ballistic 16GB. Now I didn't have an option to pick up 4x16, so I basically have 4 stick of RAM, 16GB, and DDR4 2400 megahertz. And the storage I went with Samsung 850 EVO 120 gig. Now that's my boot drive, and I also have a 2 Seagate 2TB hard drive. They're set in mirror, so set as mirror. And the video card I have NVIDIA GeForce GTX 970 4 gig. I also have a GTX 770. Now GTX 770 I have for my Hackintosh, and anytime I want to do like extreme gaming and stuff, I just put my NVIDIA GTX 970. Now I didn't add the price here, but that's another $220 because I built this system with the GTX 970, so I just put the GTX 970 graphic card here. So the case I have Fractal Design Define R4. Now I had to pick this one because I didn't see any option for the Define R4. Now the price I paid $125, so that's the same price I paid as the XLR2, so I had to pick up this part. Now the power supply I have Corsair. Now the power supply I have Corsair TX 650 watt, and I paid $55 from Newegg, and I doubt Newegg have that power supply anymore, so I had to pick up this one because this one was the close like the similar 650 watt Corsair. So definitely it's a great power supply for, you can even run 2 970s SLI and it will be more than enough 650 watt. Now if you are thinking about building a SLI setup, go with the 750 watt power supply. I'm saying you could do it. This is like the minimum you could do it. You could do a SLI with. The optical drive I have is a Samsung SH-224DB. It's a great CD rewriter and a CD-ROM, DVD-ROM. And the operating system I have Microsoft Windows 8.1 Pro OEM 64 for $131.65. One thing I'll tell you guys, it's a great investment, and you should definitely buy a legit version of Windows, because you're running everything on this platform, so it's well worth buying a legit Windows. So it's up to you guys, just my thought. The wireless network adapter, I have TP-Link TL-WN 4800. It's one of the best PCI Express Wi-Fi adapter you can buy for Windows, for Mac. You don't need a driver for that, so you could just throw the card on, boot your window, and automatically Windows will pick up that Wi-Fi adapter card or the Wi-Fi card. Even the Mac Yosemite, even the latest Yosemite 10.10.4. So keep your eyes open for that. And the case fan, I have Corsair Air Series SP120 Quiet Edition 2-pack for $27.89. Now I installed those two on my water cooler. And case fan, another case fan I have is the Corsair Air Series AF140 Quiet Edition. That's for $21.59. The screen I have, the monitor I have, Asus BG248QE. It's a 1 millisecond monitor with 144 Hz. One of the best monitor for gaming. If you're not gaming, you don't have to buy this monitor. But if you're a FPS player, first person shooter, this is one of the best monitor you can buy. Looks good. I love it. The keyboard I have Corsair, sorry, not Corsair. The keyboard I have Cooler Master CM Strong Devastator Gaming Bundle wired gaming keyboard with optical mouse for $24.99. Now I don't really care about my keyboard that much because I don't really extreme game. I also have the Apple wireless keyboard, mouse, and the trackpad, so I use that. So yeah, maybe later on I'll just upgrade to a Corsair gaming keyboard or whatever, but like I said, I don't really game that much. So yeah guys, that should be it. As you can see, my total here 2158.54. Now I didn't add my GTX 770 price here. Now if I it's like 200 something, so let's put this at 200, right? So total would have been 2358.54. So yeah guys, so let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to pick up same parts and build your system, like I say, it's great parts, reliable. I've been using my system for about 2-3 months and I love it. It never crashed on me, never gave me any problem. I run my Hackintosh and a window in this system, so this is basically my workstation and I love it. And you guys go on, you know, pick up the same parts and build your system. I know it's a little pricey, $21.58, but I picked up this system because this is my main system for my video editing and everything I do. This is basically my professional workstation. So I think for a professional workstation that does all the video editing stuff, $2,000 I still think still is great price. You know, there's people out there spending $3,000-4,000 building a workstation they can work every day. And you know, for YouTuber, what I'm trying to say, you know, I'm talking about the YouTuber that spends a lot of money for their video rendering system. So you know, trust me, this thing could render some nice video for your YouTube channel. So definitely look into it. Support the channel by like, subscribe, share my video, and if you like my video, like it. If you dislike my video, what can I do? Dislike it, and don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll get back to you guys soon. See you next video. Peace.